What's up, everybody? My name is Landry. We're about to give you the 3-step. Let's talk about the 3-step to make your improve sound funky. Today is Sunday, March 13, 2022. You get out there, make it a rich sound, make it sound like funky. They try to get it the big down to get you your service. They just say ain't on the bill. You need to try to get some fire. Just go to the website at ScottLandrySaxophone.com. Follow us on Snapchat at ScottLandrySaxschool.com. Follow us on and go to TikTok at ScottLandrySax.com. And go to Skype at ScottLandrySaxophone.com. They get to you before you let you help. This how you make it come to do it. But you go to the LCD how to get out of the because this I can make a pinky sound and it sounds funky. And yeah, you where to make it name three main ingredients. Make 3 main sound of ingredients. And so you have to get the choice with it. This how you do the song to get it in your to get out in your voice average the push it. You get the 3 songs and the 3 kicks and 3 cheeses and you have to get recited the this I can make a cheese style. And you know how to play to get down there and then plus you get to make it cool and it sound like Maceo Parker. It just play like Maceo Parker. And you try to get a Jones a kick. Which you have to make that a 4. Make sure you make that 3 sound of the saxophone. And you try to get it to join up. And you try to get this how to get it available. We try to get the choice they did which is to make the sound or the production you. Okay? Number 1. We're gonna make I can make a funky playback sound. Funky playback sound is like that helps you on the saxophone, make it a long to make it this is a saxophone area. Ingredients. How to pull that sound of the cheers up and get out to make it down there. Also, they check out how to get it over there to get the Maceo Parker and how to make a playback. But anytime you want to see that you did the job and you got how to get this job done. But you check it out over there how to make it do the sound and give you perfection. You play like Ice Cube, Snoop Dogg, Busta Rhymes, Sarah Hyland, and Candy Dover. And you did nobody else you get a train. That's how you get the group sound they have to make a cheese up sound. Number 2. Again, check it to get the O to the R. Again, they make it the bridge to R. We're gonna play we're gonna play synchro funky sound. Synchro, it's called a synchro funky sound with the saxophone. And tell you how to get that in it. And you just get the butt in it. How to get that in it, the improve the sound of the synchro funky sound. Piece of cake. It's like you make a funky sound and you know how to play the funky sound of the name of the saxophone. But yeah, go check it, go work so you can do it. And you how to get the sound of the redemption. And so what you gotta do is say the obstacle and you gotta make it let's say make it the stick the I'm not gonna play and I'll be there. Don't go with it. Don't play the 8. Don't play loud. Don't play so loud. Don't play the 8th note sound loud. Don't play the 8th. I'm not gonna play the 8th notes loud. It is syncopation. It is note. We can talk about the note called here. It's syncopation. It's called a syncopation. Syncopation, and how to get a synchro funky sound and syncopation. And it's straight. This is how you make it straight of 8 notes. This is how you get how we get the obstacle there. We're trying to get how to get through there. Okay. And up and finally, it's called a note combination. Note number 3. Note combination. And that's how to play funky sound of the real, how to play funky in the, we're gonna play in the, how to make a sound of the, how to sound of smooth. Just like if you play real smooth. Play real smooth. And get the smooth in the production you. And get how they get the reach it, they'll play the sound or you rock the teaser in it. And then how you get the reach down there. Alright, here we go. You can check it out, you get to the note combine is to make a sound rich, smooth. And you can check it the watch me. And no combine, no combinations. Excellent! You can take the note combination of the side of your prediction you. And you get to the quick side of your, where you have the straight note, straight 8 notes, syncopation, and note combination. It's the name of the 3 ingredients. How to play, we're going to play the ingredients. the sound of ingredients. Now that's it for all this video. That's it for tutorials, and now to the funky improve. Just go to the website. Follow us on Facebook at ScottLandrySaxophone.com. Follow us on Twitter at ScottLandrySax.com. Follow us on Instagram at ScottLandrySaxophone.com. And you just get control to get the beat there. Where you that's it. That's it for the step with the funky improve. That's it for the lessons. And hope you appreciate it. And appreciate it, guys. And thanks. And appreciate it a lot.